In large organizations adopting the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, multiple Agile Release Trains, often called ARTs, work in parallel to deliver various components of a complex solution. However, managing these ARTs effectively and ensuring they are aligned and collaborating efficiently can be, well, quite challenging. This is where ART Sync comes into play. ART Sync is a crucial event designed to help synchronize and coordinate the efforts of multiple RTs, ensuring that the entire organization is working toward common goals, minimizing risks, and continuously improving. It's a key enabler of alignment, communication, and collaboration, especially in large-scale agile environments where numerous teams may be working on interdependent features and components. In this deeper dive, we explore the structure, activities, and benefits of ArtSync in greater detail. ArtSync in SAFe. ArtSync is a regular event held during each program increment, or PI, within SAFe, and it involves key stakeholders from multiple arts coming together to synchronize their work. The meeting typically includes representatives from different roles, such as release train engineers, product management, system architects, business owners and scrum masters, as well as other leaders from each art. The frequency and structure of the art sync may vary based on the organization's specific needs, but it typically takes place once every few weeks or in alignment with PI cadence. Key components of art sync. Cross-art status updates. At the core of ArtSync, each art provides a high-level status update focusing on critical milestones, current work in progress, and upcoming work. This session is not about providing granular details of individual teams' tasks, but rather about sharing information that is critical to the overall system and its progress. For example, one art might update the group that they've completed an important feature and are now ready to integrate it with another art's work. Another art might share a delay that affects the delivery of key features or components, helping other arts adjust their plans accordingly. The updates should be strategic, highlighting progress and any significant developments or challenges that might affect the broader program or solution. These updates help keep everyone informed and ensure all arts are aligned on where the program stands at any given time.
Reviewing and adjusting PI objectives. During ArtSync, PI objectives are discussed to check progress toward achieving them and to address any risks to their completion. PI objectives serve as guiding goals that define the desired outcomes of a program increment. If objectives are at risk or no longer achievable due to unforeseen issues, RT-Sync serves as the forum for adjusting them. For example, if a team's velocity is lower than expected or there is a significant technical debt issue, the Art Sync provides an opportunity to discuss how to adjust or reprioritize objectives to mitigate risks and ensure successful delivery. This session helps maintain focus on the most critical objectives, ensures alignment with business goals, and keeps teams on track despite any unexpected hurdles.
Managing dependencies. One of the most complex aspects of coordinating multiple RTs is managing dependencies. Dependencies between RTs could involve shared resources, team collaboration, integration points, or workflows that need to be aligned to avoid bottlenecks. RT Sync helps identify, track, and manage these dependencies in real time. For instance, one RT might be dependent on another RT completing a certain component before they can proceed. These dependencies need to be clearly identified so that RTs can adjust their plans and collaborate to avoid delays. A key outcome of RT Sync is ensuring that interdependencies are tracked across RTs and any potential delays are flagged early. Teams can work together to resolve issues proactively, ensuring smooth integration and timely delivery. Risk management and resolution. RT Sync acts as a platform for surfacing risks and blockers that could impede progress across RTs. Risks could be technical, such as integration challenges or architectural limitations, external, such as supply chain issues or regulatory delays, or organizational, such as resource availability. Each art shares its current risk landscape and the group collaboratively assesses which risks pose the greatest threat to the success of the program. Once risks are identified, ART Sync provides an opportunity to discuss mitigation strategies and assign ownership for resolving these risks. For example, if one ART is facing a critical technical risk with the infrastructure, the other IRTs may offer their expertise, or the program could allocate additional resources to tackle the issue before it escalates. By addressing risks early in the process, ART Sync reduces the likelihood of unanticipated delays.
Metrics review and health indicators. Another critical aspect of ART Sync is the review of performance metrics. These metrics help teams gauge whether they are on track to meet their PI objectives and whether there are any systemic issues that need addressing. Common metrics reviewed during ART Sync include velocity, measures how much work each ART is completing, typically tracked via story points or work items. Cumulative flow diagrams, or CFDs, show the status of work in progress and can help identify bottlenecks in the flow of work. Burn-down charts indicate progress toward completing PI objectives. Defect density helps track quality and identify areas where testing or code quality might be slipping. These metrics are reviewed to ensure that the AITs are performing well, and they provide an early indication of whether adjustments are necessary. For instance, if velocity is lower than expected, ART Sync can help uncover why, whether due to a resource issue, external dependencies, or technical roadblocks, and suggest corrective action.
Problem solving and blocker removal. Blockers can be a major hindrance to progress, especially when multiple RTs rely on each other's outputs. ART Sync offers a dedicated time for discussing blockers, raising issues that prevent ARTs from progressing, and collaborating to find solutions. For example, if an RT is unable to complete its work due to a resource shortage or an issue with another ART's deliverable, the blockers can be addressed during ART Sync. Teams can escalate blockers to higher levels if needed, where necessary support can be provided to resolve the issue. The process of identifying blockers early and collaboratively solving them can prevent delays that would otherwise impact the overall timeline of the program.
Continuous improvement and feedback art. Sync is also an opportunity for reflection and continuous improvement. While its primary focus is on synchronization and risk management, the event also fosters a culture of feedback and learning. Teams can reflect on what has been working well, where they are encountering challenges, and how processes or communication might be improved. For example, if the ARTs find that there are recurring issues with dependency management, ART Sync can facilitate a discussion about improving coordination or implementing tools that enhance visibility of dependencies. Continuous improvement is a core value of SAFe, and ART Sync plays a vital role in driving this by ensuring that lessons learned are shared across ARTs and applied to future PIs.
Key objectives of ART Sync: coordinating across ARTs. ART Sync ensures that all ARTs are moving in the same direction and that dependencies are identified and managed. This coordination minimizes the risk of delays due to misalignment. Enabling transparency and visibility. ART Sync makes critical information about progress, risks, dependencies, and blockers visible to all ARTs. This transparency fosters a culture of trust and allows for better decision-making across teams. Managing dependencies. Proactively, ART Sync ensures that ARTs understand and manage the dependencies that impact the success of their work. It helps reduce the risk of bottlenecks caused by unaddressed inter-team dependencies. Fostering problem-solving. ART Sync is not just a reporting meeting, it's a problem-solving event where blockers and risks are discussed and solutions are collaboratively found. This approach ensures that obstacles to progress are addressed early. Aligning teams with business goals. ART Sync keeps all teams aligned with the overarching business objectives, ensuring that the solution being developed is valuable to the business and meets customer needs. Conclusion. ART Sync is a critical event in SAFe that ensures multiple ARTs are working together cohesively, mitigating risks and delivering value to the customer. It provides a structured opportunity for teams to synchronize their efforts, share progress, manage dependencies, and solve problems collectively. By ensuring that risks and blockers are addressed proactively, RT Sync helps prevent delays and promotes continuous improvement. Ultimately, Art Sync supports the success of large-scale Agile initiatives by fostering alignment, collaboration, and transparency across all arts involved.